How to get your Temu affiliate link. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of view. Once you land to the U page, at the top right corner, you're going to find the settings icon. Click on it. Now head over to the option of country or region. Make sure you have set it to US. Likewise, head back. Open this option currency. Check in for the option of USD. Once you check these settings, you will be good to go. You can head back. Now click on the option of categories. At the top, you're going to see this search box. Over there, type in affiliate program and search for it. At the moment, affiliate program is only available in US. As I'm not currently in that region, this feature is not available in my device yet. But in the case you are based on US, you'll get access to this feature. Following these steps, you will be taken to the Temu affiliate program page. At the bottom, you'll see your unique affiliate link and code. Click on the copy button to copy your link. Now that you have your affiliate link, you can share it across various platforms or with friends and family. Each time someone downloads the Temu app using your link, you will earn $5. Additionally, you will get a commission of 20% on any purchases made through your link. That's it. You know how to get your Temu affiliate link and start earning money. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.